guys, my name is Monkey Cat and welcome back to another video. Today we'll be reviewing the Pokemon trading card game Sun and Moon booster pack. I mean, not reviewing, opening. Well, let's just start unboxing. Oh, coincidence, another Incineroar pack, just like the collector's album. So yeah, let's stop stalling and start opening the pack. Hopefully this time we get some good pulls and not just a hollow rare. Pretty sure it's 4. Yep, we got the trick right this time. So we got a Fire Energy, a Passimian, yep, a Great Ball, a Baldor, a Psyduck, Litten, Cosmog, Raggenrola, Growlithe, yes, a Eevee Energy Evolution Reverse, and a Masquerain regular rare. Well, yeah, that's all for this pack. For the question of the Pokemon card opening, what is your favorite element? For me, that'll be Fairy, Water, or Electric. So, bye guys, have a nice one.